Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia G60 and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, let's unlock the device first and pull down our notifications. Extend the list and find the screen recording toggle, which for me it's on the second page right over here. Once you locate it, simply tap on it. This will give us the two options that are accessible. One is to record audio, either device, microphone, both, or none if you keep this off. And obviously the second one would be to show touches on screen, which I'll enable just so you can get a look at how that actually appears on the recording. So anyway, let's start recording now. It starts the countdown from 3. Begins recording. So whatever you'll open right now will be recorded by the phone. And just make a couple of circles just so you can see this kind of show touches on the screen. Obviously it also records a bunch of applications, not all though. I'm gonna stop it now. So what I mean by that is there are some apps that you can record, obviously. For instance, I did open up settings and it will be recorded without a problem, which I can show you right now once I find the photos up. There we go, photos. But not every app, you can't record every app. So for instance, bank apps will block screen recorders. Netflix blocks screen recorders for obvious reasons. So you might encounter from time to time app that just blocks it. So keep that in mind. Now when looking for your screen recording, you can locate it under library and let's just see, movies, and it's right over here. So as you can see, it's already playing. There's the semi-transparent gray dot that signifies where I was pressing my finger. And that's basically it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.